The association's president, Grand Council Executive Board member is Fireman John Loughton. Every October, the FDNY holds an Oktoberfest at Buckledge Park, as well as an annual scholarship golf outing in Glendale benefiting children. They also take trips to Germany and have an annual boat ride around New York City. The fire apparatus are family and friends of the German-American firemen of FDNY. And this group is this fire truck. They're celebrating 150 years of service. 2015 was the year of the bravest, FDNY.
And they are followed by ambulance of the FDNY, which comes in to play.
From the state of Brandenburg, Germany. This group's name translates to Prussian Hand Pump Spraying Department, which of course refers to an antique hand pump fire truck. Understandably, they are here without their equipment. They come from the area of Spreewald, which is just southeast of Berlin. A beautiful biosphere reserve, beautiful area for bike trails, forested area. It's a UNESCO site since 1991.
Now we welcome the Strothmann Gruppe of firefighters to the United States. Herzlich willkommen.